The Acer Predator Helios 18AI is built with a clear purpose: deliver desktop-level performance in a portable form. And unlike many laptops that try to balance everything, this one focuses heavily on power, speed, and next-generation gaming features. Most laptops today are designed around compromise: a bit of performance, a bit of portability. But the Predator Helios 18AI takes a different approach. It pushes performance first, and then builds everything else around that decision. At the center of this machine is the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor. This is a high-end CPU designed for demanding workloads. But beyond raw speed, it introduces something more important: AI acceleration. With up to 13 NPU TOPS, the processor can offload specific tasks away from the CPU and GPU. For example, background removal during streaming becomes smoother. Audio optimization runs without affecting gameplay. This creates a more balanced system. Tasks are distributed intelligently, instead of overwhelming one component. In addition, Intel application optimization improves performance in classic and older games, so users get better results across a wider range of titles. Moving to graphics, the laptop is powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU. This GPU is based on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, and it brings major improvements in both rendering and AI performance. Key features include 4th generation RT cores, 5th generation Tensor cores, up to 992 AI TOPS of processing power. These specifications directly impact gaming visuals. Ray tracing becomes more realistic, lighting, shadows, and reflections behave more naturally. And importantly, these effects run smoothly thanks to improved efficiency. One of the most important technologies here is DLSS 4. This is NVIDIA's AI-based rendering system. It introduces features like multi-frame generation, ray reconstruction, super resolution. In simple terms, DLSS uses AI to improve both performance and image quality. Games run at higher frame rates, latency is reduced, and visuals remain sharp. This means users do not have to choose between performance and graphics quality. They can achieve both at the same time. All of this performance is supported by a large 18-inch display. It uses a WQXGA resolution with a 16:10 aspect ratio. This provides more vertical space compared to standard screens, useful for both gaming and productivity. The display also includes 240 Hz refresh rate, 3 milliseconds response time, up to 100% DCI-P3 color coverage. This combination ensures smooth motion, fast response, and accurate colors. Additionally, NVIDIA G-Sync helps eliminate screen tearing, and advanced Optimus allows the system to switch between integrated and dedicated graphics. This improves efficiency without sacrificing performance. When all these components work together, the experience is clear. Games run smoothly, even at high settings. Frame rates remain stable. Visual quality is high, especially with ray tracing enabled. But the laptop is not limited to gaming. It also performs well in video editing, 3D rendering, streaming. The combination of CPU, GPU, and AI processing allows it to handle multiple demanding tasks at once. The design reflects its purpose. This is a large laptop. The 18-inch display makes that obvious. It is not built for constant mobility. Instead, it works best as a portable workstation, something that can replace a desktop when needed. This design allows for better cooling and higher sustained performance. With this level of hardware, cooling is essential. While detailed cooling specifications are not listed, it is clear that the system is designed to handle heavy workloads. However, under load, fans will be noticeable. This is expected for high-performance gaming laptops. Also, full performance is best achieved when the laptop is plugged in. There are a few trade-offs. First, portability. This is not a lightweight device. Second, power consumption. High performance requires more energy. Third, cost. Systems at this level are typically expensive. These are expected compromises for desktop-level performance. The Acer Predator Helios 18AI focuses on delivering maximum capability. It combines a high-end Intel Core Ultra processor with AI features, a powerful RTX 5070 GPU with advanced rendering technologies, a large, fast, and color-accurate display, and brings them together into one system. It is not designed for everyone, but for users who prioritize performance, it offers a strong solution. This laptop represents a clear direction: less compromise, more capability. It may not be the most portable option, but in terms of performance and technology, it stands out. And for users who need that level of power, It delivers.